interact with light in ways that defy common sense. They can bend, scatter, or even trap light, leading to phenomena like negative refraction and perfect lenses. The ability to control light with such precision opens up a Pandora's box of potential applications. Imagine solar panels that absorb sunlight from all angles, increasing efficiency exponentially. Or picture ultra-fast optical computers that process information at the speed of light. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination.
Section 4. The Future, a tapestry woven with AI and metamaterials. Gazing into the future, we see a world where AI and metamaterials are intricately interwoven, shaping our lives in profound ways.
Imagine a world cloaked in invisibility, where advanced camouflage technology makes objects disappear before our very eyes. This technology, once confined to the realm of science fiction, could become a reality, revolutionizing industries from defense to entertainment.
But the impact of AI and metamaterials extends far beyond invisibility cloaks. In medicine, these technologies hold the key to developing highly sensitive diagnostic tools.
Imagine sensors that can detect diseases at their earliest stages, paving the way for more effective treatments and cures.
In the realm of communication, AI-designed metamaterials could lead to lightning-fast data transfer speeds. Imagine a world where information travels at the speed of light, eliminating lag and buffering, making global communication seamless and instantaneous.
The possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself.
Section 5. Beyond the horizon, the uncharted territory. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, we must tread carefully and responsibly.
The power of AI and metamaterials, while immense, comes with ethical considerations that we cannot ignore. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must ensure that these technologies are used for the betterment of humanity.
The future holds both promise and uncertainty. Yet one thing is certain: the convergence of AI and metamaterials marks a pivotal moment in human history. It is a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge.
As we continue to explore this fascinating intersection, we can only marvel at the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. The future is ours to shape, and with AI and metamaterials as our tools, the only limit is our imagination.